2018 Buick Cascada. As a sedate, stylish drop-top, the Buick Cascada is an excellent choice. It's also the only choice. There's more than meets the eye with the 2018 Buick Cascada. The stylish, sedate drop-top is hardly a reboot of the old Riviera. Instead, Buick parent General Motors plucked the Cascada from its European Opel lineup and brought it to America, where it is one of the least expensive convertibles on the market. We rate the Cascada, available in base, premium, and sport touring trim levels, a 5.6 out of 10, based mostly on its style and its high level of standard features. The Cascada sees only a minor shuffling of its color palette to mark 2018. Last year, a new sport touring trim level arrived with its own special styling details, but all versions of the Cascada are attractive in a decidedly continental way. Inside, however, a button-heavy control layout and a previous generation infotainment system mark the Cascada's age. This design hit the European market more than 5 years ago and hasn't been significantly altered since. Just one engine and transmission combination, a 1.6-liter inline-4 mated to a 6-speed automatic, is available, and all Cascadas are front-wheel drive. Although pleasant to drive, the Cascada is hardly sporty. Instead, it's more of a boulevardier, a model essentially without direct rivals any longer.